This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jamruk's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys. You are congratulating your best friend who is married to her love of her life. You moved back, which made you bump into a man whom you know from ages. You, Chingguk? Your voice trembled slightly, eyes widening in disbelief as you took a step back, barely able to process the familiar face standing just a few feet away. Chingguk, wow! I thought my eyes were playing tricks on me. It's really you? You look beautiful. You. I didn't know you were invited. Chingguk. Well, I didn't expect to see you either. But here we are. Fate's weird, huh? You. So, how have you been? Chingguk stepped a bit closer, dangerously close. Close enough that you could catch the familiar scent of his colgate. Damn it, you hated that it still made your knees weak. Chingguk, I have been surviving, missing a certain someone though. Did you ever miss me? Even a little. Just then, someone called your name from behind, pulling you back to the present. Chingguk, you don't have to answer, but if tonight gives us one more chance to talk, I will be waiting near the garden like old times. And with that, he turned and walked away, leaving you standing there, breathless, heart pounding, and mind in chaos. Hours passed, the music got louder, people danced, drank, celebrated love, but your eyes, they keep glancing toward the garden like they had mind of their own. Your mind was screaming to go, but your heart, oh that stupid heart, was whispering, just go. The garden was dimly lit, fairy lights wrapped around the trees like stars, caught in the branches, and there he was, Chingguk, leaning casually against the pillar, a glass of champagne in his hand, moonlight kissing the side of his face. Chingguk, took you long enough, baby girl? Your breath caught in your throat, that nickname. No one ever said it like he did. You, don't call me that. Chingguk smiled, slowly walking towards you, his voice low and maddening. Chingguk, why not? Still sounds like you melt when I say it. You, why are you doing this, Chingguk? Chingguk, because seeing you tonight reminded me what I lost, what I stupidly let go. And I need to know, is there really no chance left for us, or are you just pretending you have moved on? You swallowed hard, every word making your chest ache more. His eyes searched yours, desperate for something, hope, maybe. Chingguk, tell me, Vayan, is your heart really someone else now, or did I still leave my name etched somewhere inside you? You, shut up, okay? You can't act everything is alright. And I can't give you chance because of your possessive behavior. We are apart because of you, because of your stupid jealousy, possessiveness towards me, which made me break up with you. He ignored your words. Then he came closer to you, while you can inhale his manly colorine. Chingguk, tell me, Vayan, is your heart really someone else now, or did I still leave my name as somewhere inside you? You, shut up, okay? Don't get to stand here and pretend everything is fine. Chingguk, I am not pretending. You cut him off while showing your palm to him. You, no! You don't get to play the victim. You think I forgot how you used to flip out every time when I talk to someone else. The jealousy, the way you looked at every guy like he was gonna steal me away. Chengu, because I loved you too fucking much. I couldn't stand the thought of losing you. You didn't love me. You tried to own me. Chengu, bullshit. I wanted you to be mine. What's wrong with that? You were mine. He shouted. His eyes are filled with raw pain and love towards you, which never decrees for you, which made your heart flip into 360 degrees. You, exactly. That's the problem. I wasn't your damn property. Chengu? Chengu, don't twist it. Ryan, you think it was easy watching guys flirt with you while you smile back? They were my friends. You made me feel guilty for every damn conversation I had with another man. You shouted when he accused you. He let out a sigh and spoke. Chengu, because they wanted more than conversation. I saw it, but you didn't. That's not my fault. You should have trusted me.
हैरान हूँ कि कुछ भी न मांगू कभी मैं, जो तुम मेरे हो, ऐसा हो क्यों कि लगता है हासिल सभी है। जो तुम मेरे हो, जो तुम मेरे हो, तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, और तुम हो ही नहीं, तो मैं जीना नहीं चाहूँ दुनिया में। और नजरों में मेरे एक जहां है जहां तू और मैं अब साथ हैं, और वहाँ कोई नहीं, तू और मैं ही हैं। और आगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए कभी, हम तो प्यार से ही मर जाएंगे। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए नहीं, हम तो फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे। जो तुम मेरे हो, तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से। पूछे तू कि तुझ में मैं क्या देखता हूँ, जब चारों तरफ आज कितने ही सारे हैं। जाने ना तू खुद को यूं ना जाने क्यों, नजरों से मेरी यहाँ देखो ना खुद को जरा, देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी छुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कान है। और नजरें झुकी और नजरें उठी, तो मैं क्या ही करूं बर्बाद मैं तेरे होठों को जिनसे रखती मेरे प्यारे प्यारे नाम है। और दिल का तेरे और दिल का तेरे, अब मैं क्या ही कहूँ क्या बात है। और हाँ देखो यहाँ कैसे आई दो दिलों की ये बारात है, पर क्या खुला आसमां या फिर लाई यहाँ जोरों से बरसात है। चाहे वो छाए भी बादल तो, चाहे फिर भी तुम्हें क्या पता, तुमको मांगू ना कुछ और जो तुम मेरे हो।
बदले हैं मेरे तेवर क्यों आजकल। आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह। ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह। मैं बारिश की बोली समझता नहीं था, हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था। है सीने में दिल भी कहाँ थी मुझे ये खबर। कहीं पे हो रातें, कहीं पे सवेरे, रही साथ मेरे। ठहर जा ये कहती है तेरी नजर। क्या हाल हो गया है ये मेरा, आँखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह। ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह। कैसे हुआ इतना जरूरी, कैसे हुआ
मेरी राहें तेरे तक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है। इश्क मेरा तो बेशक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है। साथ छोड़ूंगा ना तेरे पीछे आऊंगा, छीन लूंगा या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा, तेरे नाल तकदीरां लिखवाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा। तेरी मैं कसम यही खाऊंगा, कीते वादे मेरा निभाऊंगा, तुझे हर बारी अपना बनाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा। देखा तो जुदा मैं हुई तेरी खातिर, तू ही मंजिल दिल तेरा मुसाफिर। देखा तो जुदा मैं हुआ तेरी खातिर, तू ही मंजिल दिल तेरा मुसाफिर। रब न बुला बैठा तेरे करके, मैं हो गया काफिर। लखा तो जुदा मैं होया तेरी